How to draw Muichiro Tokito. Stone Muichiro is very good to draw. Let's draw a ladder first. Draw a straight line as wide as the ladder. The middle is separated by a vertical line. Wu Yilong's ears are right here. Start writing at 1/3 of the horizontal line under the ladder. Cut off to triangles. And you start on the horizontal end of the ladder. Draw down a thin rhombus. Then seal the top of the head. Draw the neck by the way. Draw the position of the eyes. The position of the nose and mouth. Determine eye length. Then we add a little detail. Draw the nose and mouth starting from the bridge of the nose. Then draw the brow arch and upper eyelid. Draw the position of the eyeballs along the auxiliary line. Draw eyebrows. Outline the face shape along the auxiliary line. Start with this line above the ladder. Draw the spikes of the head curtain. Draw the hair twist from the top of the head down. Add the left broken hair. Continue along the auxiliary line. Draw the hair around the back of the head. Extend the unconnected hair. Draw the overlay relationship. Draw the right broken hair along the auxiliary line. Neck and collar follow by the way. Perfect facial details. Continue to refine hair. Pay attention to using the line decisively. Don't be sloppy. Draw ears. Finally, our gallery finishing touches. After drawing the shaded area, overall cable. Follow the hair to draw the slightly brushed lines. Okay, our Stone Muichiro is finished. All bosses have learned. Please post your drawings in the comment area, so let's have a look. Subscribe.